हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे, महाराष्ट्र मीडिया आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप आमच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर आत्ताच सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 6 इंग्लिश चॅप्टर नंबर 3.3 स्टोन सूप टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे, आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. ए, where does the story takes place? Answer, the story takes place in a village. B आहे, list the characters in the play and write one or two lines about each. So answer आहे, first, Motiram. He is a farmer. He had a good produce of crops. He does not want to advertise because he is afraid he would have guests at home and he would have to share with him. Second, Sonabai. She too had a good produce. She too, like Motiram, did not want to advertise because she does not like to have guests. Third, Hirabai. She too feels that guests are pests. She hates to give food and money to others. Fourth is Rupabai. She thinks a little differently. She feels it is not right to refuse someone who comes for help. Fifth, Traveler. He is a traveler who has traveled a long distance and he is tired and hungry. He hears a conversation of the villagers and comes to know that they are miserly. In the end, he makes everyone contribute a little towards making of the soup. Then see, how do the following avoid giving anything to the traveler? Answer, Motiram. He tells the traveler that dinner was over and nothing was left. He tells the traveler to try elsewhere. Sonabai. She pretended to be hard of hearing, which eventually made the traveler try elsewhere. Hirabai. She pretended not to understand the traveler's language and spoke gibberish, means nonsense, which made the traveler try elsewhere. Rupabai. She told the traveler that she too was very hungry because she had not made anything as her larder was empty. D. Find what Hirabai tells the traveler by reading her words from right to left. Answer, go away. No food and no rest for anyone here. E. Apart from the stone, how many things go into the soup? Answer, apart from the stone, water, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, beans, onion, ginger, salt and pepper go into making the soup. D. Does the traveler really have a magic stone? Answer, no, the traveler does not have a magic stone, but he uses the stone to make the miserly villagers believe that the stone was magical. Question number 2. Know any one page not against the speech of every characters. What feeling it should show to bring out the meaning best? For example, joy, fear, anger, nervousness, friendliness, dislike, surprise, wonder, excitement, politeness, rudeness, cunning, curiosity. Answer, Rupabai. Surprise, wonder. Traveler, regret. Rupabai, cunning. Traveler, joy, expectations. Rupabai, unsure. Sonabai, friendliness. Hirabai, apologetic. Third is read aloud or intact the play. Okay, तुम्हाला इथे काय करायचं आहे, रीड करायचे आहे मोठ्याने. Fourth is write a recipe for the stone soup. Answer, the stone soup. Once upon a time, a tired and weary traveler came to village. The sun had just set. The traveler was very hungry and very tired. He hoped to get food and shelter in the village. He saw cottages in a row and walked towards them when suddenly he heard voices of people chatting. He stopped to hear. Now, can you continue with the story? Question number 5 is form pairs. Write at least one short dialogue for each of the following expressions. Okay, let's see. Answer. For example, A. Sumit. I think all schools should have bigger playgrounds. Sumit, I agree. Then B. Mohit. It has been raining cats and dogs. Rohit, true. Then C. Sangeeta. There is a solution to every problem. Neeta, you're right. D. William. Will be able to complete this project all by myself. Mother, why not? Rohini. Here are the English notes you wanted. Sohini, thank you. Question number 6 is find the meaning of charity begins at home or find other saying which have a similar meaning. Answer, charity begins at home The meaning of this proverb is a person's first responsibility is to look after the needs of their own family and friends. Saying with similar meanings. First, charity and beating begins at home. John Fletcher. Second, home is where the heart is. Third, home sweet home. Fourth, a home away from home. Now you add some more. Question number 7. List 5 questions from the play which can be answered with yes or no. Answer. Does it melt away? Have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? Do you think that is right? Can I have some food? Anyone at home? Question number 8. Smarts answers. Form a large group. Each person asks the next one question to get him to say yes or no. He or she can use the appropriate statements, request or even other questions as a response. But if he or she says yes or no, he or she is out. Otherwise, he or she continues the game. Questions cannot be repeated. तर बघा तुम्हाला इथे ॲक्टिव्हिटी दिलेली आहे की एक ग्रुप तयार करा. इच पर्सन आस्क द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन्स नेक्स्ट वन अ क्वेश्चन टू गेट हिम येस ऑर नो. मग बघा तुम्हाला एक ग्रुप तयार करायचा आहे आणि प्रत्येक जो पर्सन आहे तो एक क्वेश्चन एकमेकांना सांगेन. म्हणजे एकाने दुसऱ्याला सांगायचं, दुसऱ्याने तिसऱ्याला सांगायचा. मग त्याने समजा एकाने दुसऱ्याला सांगितला क्वेश्चन आणि तो दुसरा जर यस म्हणाला तर त्याने यस किंवा नो म्हणायचं. मग त्यानंतर ही ऑर शी कॅन यूज ॲप्रोप्रिएट स्टेटमेंट्स, रिक्वेस्ट ऑर इवन अदर क्वेश्चन्स ॲज अ रिस्पॉन्स. मग त्यांनी काय करायचं, एकमेकांना क्वेश्चन विचारल्यावर रिक्वेस्ट ऑर इवन अदर क्वेश्चन्स म्हणजे येत असेल तर येस मग याचा आन्सर द्यायचं किंवा मग नसेल येत तर नो. मग दुसरा क्वेश्चन पण विचारला जाईल. बट इफ ही से नो येस ऑर नो शी इज आउट. जर म्हणजे त्यांनी काय करायचं की येस ऑर नो म्हणायचं नाही, त्याऐवजी काय म्हणायचं रिक्वेस्ट ऑर इवन अदर क्वेश्चन्स. म्हणजे येस ऑर नोच्या ऐवजी हे असं म्हणायचं. जर ते म्हटले तर आउट. अदरवाईज ही ऑर शी कंटिन्यूज द गेम. क्वेश्चन कॅन नॉट बी रिपीटेड. क्वेश्चन रिपीट झाले नाही पाहिजे. अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला गेम खेळायची आहे ही. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 आहे विजिट अ लायब्ररी, फाइंड द स्टोरीज अबाउट होस्ट अँड गेस्ट, शेअर देम विथ क्लास, क्लासिफाय द स्टोरीज इंटू फनी अँड सिरियस स्टोरीज. तर ही पण तुम्हाला ॲक्टिव्हिटी दिलेली आहे की एका लायब्ररीला व्हिजिट द्यायची आहे आणि स्टोरीज होस्ट आणि गेस्टच्या स्टोरीज काय करायचं तुम्हाला फाइंड करायच्या अँड शेअर देम विथ क्लास आणि तुमच्या क्लासमध्ये त्या शेअर करायच्या. ओके, तर अशा प्रकारे इथे आपली जी 3.3 जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी होती स्टोन सूप याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहे. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग अँड कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.